guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's back to school again. Like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. The holiday is so short. Now we're gonna be waking up early. We're gonna be making lunch. Oh, please bring back the holiday. We're not ready. Oh my gosh, so if this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome. My name is Earl, and I make videos on motherhood, natural hair, lifestyle, fashion tutorials, and everything in general. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing like a mini vlog of how I'm preparing my daughter for her school tomorrow. I'm not vlogged in like, I think 2 months. So I think this is going to be a first vlog in a long time. So guys, yeah, oh my god, before I go into the vlogging, Jesus guys, you cannot believe what happened to me yesterday. Okay, so yesterday was Sunday, right? But in my mom mind, I think my mom mind, I did not know, I did not even remember that yesterday was Sunday, because I usually do some of my sit down videos on Sundays. And that's just because I'm one lazy human being. Like, if I'm not going out, what's the need of dressing up? What's the need of combing my hair? I'm lazy like that. But on Sunday, you know very well you're going to have to, look good and go to church. So whenever I come back from church, I love doing my sit down videos. So I was there with my jotter. I've already written like what I'm going to do that Sunday, thinking today is Sunday, today is Monday. But to my surprise, yesterday was Sunday. Oh my gosh. And I woke up around to 10. Can you imagine? I woke up to 10. If not, I called my sister and she was like, why didn't you go to church? And I'm like, no, church is tomorrow. She said, no, church is today. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Has it ever happened to you? Like, has it ever happened to you? Tell me guys in the comments. Oh, enough talking. This intro is getting too long. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Join the family by clicking on that big red subscribe button below this video. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Share it to all your family and friends. Even your enemies, share it. And please, guys, encourage me by, clicking on that super thanks. Please encourage me. And watch my ads. Let's get vlogging. Bye. Say hi. Say hi.
So first off, guys, I'm very sure I'm not the only one who does this. Like, I'll just, be looking peng if I'm doing a sit down video, but below I'm with my good old rapper. Okay guys, so what I'm just trying to do is, check through her school uniform, school shoes, and the ones that needs changing, even though I'm changing nada, like nothing for this term. Like, we're still in 3rd term, so she has to still use everything she has until a new term by God's grace, a new session by God's grace. So yep, so for her lunch bag and school bags, the lunch bag and the school bag is still okay. Like, it's just that the school bag I've started peeling, like the design area, like it has started peeling off. Don't mind me smelling it. We washed it, so I'm trying to see if it has dried well. So the peel, like, is not really noticeable. It's just a very tiny stuff. She can still manage it, guys. Like, I don't think she needs to change it. I'll become a person for my happiness. So her school gave her 5 pairs of socks, and she has used 4 pairs in this for 2 school sessions. But these 4 pairs are weak. Some are torn, but she can still manage it. After all, it's 3rd term. And as for her sportswear, all I'm just going to do is adjust the elastic band on it. And her school uniform, her school gave her like 4 pairs, but she has 2 that is working very, very well.
Now me where they clean on the house, now me where they wash on the car, now me where they cook on the car.
Now me where they wash on our clothes, now me where they work for your show, now me where they walk on I become a person for my happiness, so still be
So what I'm doing right now is checking her books to see if she had done her homework. My daughter loves doing her homework. Like once she comes back from school, that's the first thing she's gonna do. If you don't force her, she would want to do everything on that book. She loves doing her homework so much. But there was one that I actually left, and that's the one she's gonna be doing right now. Jaden is hungry. He ate his eggplant before he slept, and he enjoyed it. Guys, my son is refusing his food though. If his cereals, anything puree, now he just wants to eat strictly like grown-up food. That's why I did that eggplant coupon, because he doesn't want to eat his purees anymore. Like he's beginning to reject it.
My own. And everybody get wrong. No me say your own. That's in my own.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. You're done now. You want to do another one? You want to do another one? Don't worry, when you come back from school tomorrow, your auntie will give you another one. Yeah? That is all. That is all. No, that is all. See drama. That's all. Mama, don't write another thing again. That is all. Oh yeah, come, let me
Now me where they
do your
clean
hair.
in the house. Now me
Yeah,
where they
close
wash
it.
in the car.
That's
Now
all.
me where they cook in the
Say bye-bye.
car.
Say bye-bye.
Now me where they wash una clothes. Now me where they work for your shop. Now me where they walk on